Hello, I'm Daisy of Dumaguete Net Service. In this video, you will be learning what a red ribbon is and how to get a red ribbon document authentication. The Department of Foreign Affairs is mainly in charge to contribute national security and the protection of the territorial integrity and national sovereignty. Most importantly, in the creation, disposal, and renewal of Philippine passports in the country. Thousands of Filipinos are not given the opportunity to travel and work abroad. With the DFA offices in the Philippines, more and more Filipinos are allowed to travel, work, and even study. Despite having a passport, there are some countries that would still question the authenticity of a document. Luckily, the DFA office do a fine job in certifying, validating, and authenticating documents. What is a red ribbon? Red ribbon documents are usually required when one applies for a job abroad, traveling, or even transferring to an abroad school for verification and authentication. There are a number of documents the DFA can give authentication, or in other terms, a red ribbon. The process of getting a red ribbon has to go through certification, verification, and authentication. Included in the list of documents accepted for red ribbon or authentication and validations are NBI clearance, police clearance, barangay certification with mayor certification, NSO, affidavit of employment, trainings, seminar, and baptism confirmation with regional trial court RTC certification, other notarized governments, medical certification by the Department of Health, Professional Regulation Commission PRC documents, Land Transportation Office license certification, foreign documents, and school records. How to get a red ribbon for document authentication. Step 1. Fill out the application form. You may find the link of the application form in the video description. Step 2. Present your valid ID upon submission of the documents to the DFA office. Step 3. Pay the authentication fees at the counter. Step 4. Return the duplicate copy of the receipt to the processing window. And finally, Step 5. Claim the authenticated document on the release date. Simply present the machine-validated receipt at the releasing window. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to click that subscribe button. I am Daisy of Dumaguete Net Service, and see you in the next videos.